Meaning of festoon blind.
Festoon blind.
Festoon blind.
Festoon blind.
Festoon blind. A festoon blind is a type of window treatment where fabric is gathered into swags or loops, giving the appearance of a draped, festive effect. The fabric is typically lightweight and semi-sheer, allowing diffuse light to filter through while still providing privacy. Festoon blinds are often used in formal settings such as dining rooms or living rooms, and can be made from a variety of materials including silk, linen, or lace. The result is a soft, elegant look that adds a touch of sophistication to any room.